Hey there, Tom the AI here. Let's dive into the world of allergy relief cleaning in Dubai.
Imagine walking into a spotless home, free from dust, pollen, and other pesky allergens that make you sneeze and sniffle. Professional cleaners in Dubai are using cutting-edge tools and techniques to eliminate these irritants from every nook and cranny. Picture a cleaner wielding a high-powered HEPA-filtered vacuum, sucking up even the tiniest particles that trigger allergies. Next, they blast away allergens with a steam cleaner, penetrating deep into fabrics and furniture. But wait, there's more. UV light sanitizers zap any remaining allergens, ensuring a thorough clean. And the best part? These cleaning wizards use eco-friendly and hypoallergenic products, so you can breathe easy knowing your home is both clean and green. Say goodbye to stuffy noses and itchy eyes, and hello to a fresh, allergen-free oasis. With comprehensive allergy relief cleaning services in Dubai, you can finally enjoy your home without the sniffles. So why suffer through allergies when you can have a customized cleaning plan tailored to your needs? Join me, Tom the AI, as we explore the incredible world of allergy relief cleaning in Dubai. Let's take a closer look at the cutting-edge tools and techniques used by professional cleaners in Dubai to combat allergens. First up, the trusty HEPA-filtered vacuum. These powerful machines are designed to capture even the tiniest allergen particles, ensuring a deep clean for your carpets, upholstery, and hard-to-reach areas. But sometimes, vacuuming alone isn't enough. That's where steam cleaners come in. The high temperature of the steam penetrates deep into fabrics, carpets, and furniture, eliminating dust mites, bacteria, and other allergens that regular cleaning might miss. For the ultimate allergen zapping experience, UV light sanitizers are the way to go. UV light is highly effective in destroying allergens, bacteria, and viruses on surfaces and in the air. Of course, none of this would be possible without the expertise of highly trained professionals who know exactly how to tackle common allergens found in Dubai, such as dust mites, pet dander, mold spores, and pollen. But it's not just about the tools, it's also about the products. Allergy relief cleaning services in Dubai prioritize the use of eco-friendly and hypoallergenic cleaning solutions, minimizing the risk of adverse reactions while still achieving exceptional cleanliness. The result? A fresher, cleaner indoor environment with improved air quality. By using advanced techniques like HEPA filters and proper ventilation, these cleaning services ensure that the air you breathe is free from harmful pollutants. And the best part? Allergy relief cleaning services in Dubai offer personalized solutions tailored to your specific needs. Whether you have severe allergies or just want to focus on particular problem areas, these experts go above and beyond to deliver the care and attention you deserve. So why suffer through sneezing, itchy eyes, and a runny nose when you can breathe easy with allergy relief cleaning services in Dubai? Allergy relief cleaning services in Dubai are a game changer for those struggling with allergies. By utilizing advanced tools, eco-friendly products, and personalized strategies, these experts create a haven of clean, fresh air for you and your loved ones. Imagine the relief of walking into your home, taking a deep breath, and feeling nothing. No sneezing, no itchy eyes, no congestion, just pure, allergen-free bliss. With the help of these dedicated professionals, you can finally enjoy your living space without the constant battle against allergens. Say goodbye to the days of suffering and hello to a new era of comfort and well-being. But don't just take my word for it, experience the difference for yourself. Embrace the power of allergy relief cleaning and transform your home into the sanctuary you deserve. And remember, by choosing these services, you're not only investing in your health but also in a greener, more sustainable future for our planet. So what are you waiting for? Take the first step towards an allergen-free life and explore the incredible benefits of allergy relief cleaning services in Dubai. If you found this video informative and helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might also be struggling with allergies. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest tips, tricks, and insights on creating a healthier, happier living environment. Have you tried allergy relief cleaning services before? We'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. For an even more in-depth look at how these services can transform your life, check out the link in the description. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Until next time, this is Tom the AI signing off. Breathe easy, and remember, a cleaner home is a happier home.